Hello everyone. Today I crafted an interactive Indian Oil dashboard on Power BI. In this dashboard, the key insights include open price by year, close price by year using clustered column chart, high price by year, low price by year using donut chart, line chart which displays open price, close price, high price and low price by day, open price, close price, high price and low price by month, by quarter, open price, close price, high price and low price by year. Four cards to display open price, close price, high price, low price, and a slicer to filter based on quarter. Now let me click on quarter 2. Can see the changes. Year 2019 open price 6,259. If I want here, year 2020 high price 3,307, 13.74%. If I click on quarter 4, can see the open price, close price, high price, and low price. Can see for quarter. You can see the open price, close price, high price and low price by month. Here for days, and then narration. You can see the narration at 19,562. Monday had the highest open price and was 34,319, 44% higher than Saturday, which had the lowest open price at 57. Open price and total close price are positively correlated with each other. July accounted for 9.01% of open price. Across all 12 months, open price ranged from 7,047 to 8,727. Close price ranged from 7,041 to 8,704. High price ranged from 7,138.15 to 8,818.07. This is all about my dashboard. Thank you.